everybody, Jeremy here from Photojunky's Drone Zone. In this video I am reviewing the AC16 4K digital camera, and interestingly it says 4K on the box, but there is a setting for 5K in there, which I did not experiment with, and I kind of regret not experimenting with it. Maybe I should have. I was happy with 4K. The quality, video quality was good. For the price, it was definitely very good. I have no complaints about this. The photo image quality, good as well. I took a bunch of photos and video, and if you want to view them in HD, follow the instructions on the screen here. To tell you the truth, going to the YouTube channel and seeing it in 4K is probably the best way to judge. Build quality on this camera, felt good. Everything is laid out nice. Buttons are easy to navigate through. No complaints. I would definitely recommend this camera. And now for a short tutorial, how to. To turn on the camera, press this button here. The camera is on. You can't see anything because there's a black background. To get into the menu mode, press this button down here. To make your selection or to scroll, do that. Hit the arrow button. To make your selection, press OK, which is still the menu button. And then to get out, press mode. Very simple. This is your camera mode. This is your video mode, and this is a list of the files you have taken. Very simple. This dial here gives you different options of how you want to shoot. If you want to shoot in black and white, you can turn it to the B button. I leave everything on the standard setting, which is right here, that little, I have bad eyes, looks like a little circle triangle thingy. I leave it on that because if I want to do anything, I'll do it in Photoshop. To take an image, simply press this button here. This dial here, wide telephoto. It allows you to zoom in on your subject. Very self-explanatory.
Lovers come here from everywhere, climb to the top of the Eiffel Tower. It is the right place to propose,
but will it last? No one knows.